Hi everyone, thank you for checking out your updated weather forecast here with meteorologist Nathan Kitchens. Well, after some very fall-like weather Thursday, the weather's about to make another turn for the much warmer as we go into the weekend. In fact, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s Friday, a warm and breezy day. There are some models now suggesting a chance for storms, but we really think it's going to stay just north of us here. And that's why we're going to call for now that the storms stay north of Indianapolis, but it could get a little close there. We'll keep an eye on it. As we go into the weekend though, mainly dry, temperatures pretty warm, and then we get really warm next week, Monday and Tuesday and into Wednesday. We right now have forecasted really 3 days in the 7-day forecast that are a record high temperature, so we're forecasting to break records. So we don't do that often. You know, that tells you that we're looking at some serious warmth that's not normal for this time of the year as we go into next week. So here's a look at Friday. Again, no record-breaking temperatures tomorrow, but it will be a much warmer day. In fact, temperatures should reach the mid to upper 80s for the high. Will be mostly sunny throughout the first half of the day. A few more clouds as we go through the afternoon, and then from about 3 p.m. through about 6 p.m. there'll be some storms that slide just north of the city here as we take a look at the forecast data. Again, it shows that there could be some isolated activity that approaches us here. I really think it's still going to stay just north of us. Again, we'll keep an eye on that there. As we look at the next 7 days, we look at just some very minimal chances this weekend, partly sunny, highs in the upper 80s out there. And look at next week, we have 91 degrees Monday and Tuesday. That would be a new record for those dates. We've never been 90 degrees before on the 1st of October, but it looks like we will change that this year. As we go into the late part of next week, we do expect a big change by Thursday. We think a cold front will come through, and we're going to see some pretty remarkable changes by the end of next week. We're 74 Thursday, and I would look for that number to go even lower as we go into Friday of next week. So like we talked about yesterday, fall, it looks like it is coming later next week. So just hang in there. It's our last stretch of real warm summer weather to get through before things finally flip, at least Mother Nature wise, as we go into later next week. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.